today we're gonna make some towels. I have an old towel, a kitchen towel. I don't use it anymore because it has many spots on it, and I don't throw it away. And I make some new ones. I'm gonna use old fabrics. I have uh, furniture fabric, and this is the one what I have in my hand. These are very old cloths also, and I'm going to use it on my towel. Okay, let's get started. Very old kitchen towel. It's a little bit dirty, a little bit spots on it, and I'm gonna use it again. But first, what I'm gonna do, I made all the wrinkles on it, and put some needles on it, and make it wrinkle just like this. Each 5 centimeters because it's 60 centimeters. 60 centimeters is tall, 60 meters, and I'm gonna use this spot. What here is a little bit dirty. I wanna gonna use it again. Okay, and later I have here a furniture fabric. Just like this, and I want to put this so it's over the wrinkles and put the spots just like this to make a newer kitchen cloth. I'm sure that this is what I did. Now what I'm gonna do is I have here a fabric, furniture fabric, only one, and I want to put this over a little bit so. Made it a little fast, and on the other side I will do just like this. Another side. You're gonna see it now. Don't push it because it's very thick, and then it will stop your machine. Be careful with it. Let the machine do the work and don't push it. Okay. see it's stuck. Now this is the front where I did it. This is the back. We're gonna not see the back, we're gonna see the front. And I'm gonna get more plate here on the top to make some more playable. I have here a plate with a little bit elastic inside. I'm gonna sew it on the top to make it playable, just like this. Just like this. I'm gonna sew it now. They're more playable, just like this. Now, okay, let's do it. I use a beach band. This is beach band. I have it here. Put some needles on it because we're gonna work it off on the upside. I'm gonna sew it first, and then I sew it again over it, and you don't not see anything about it. Become good. Okay, let's get sewn. Made it, and I made also the hanging points with the piece band, and when we hang it will be new cloths, kitchen cloths, with your own made. Okay, this is the end product done. And yeah, don't throw it away, your kitchen towels or another towels which you have. Use it always. And make some new ones and use it over and over. On the spots you can make another fabric on it and different fabrics on it and make some new ones. And somebody else gonna think about where you bought them and you made them yourself and enjoy it. I enjoyed that mine, and I see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs and the signal bell, the wrinkle, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.